Workshops, as you know them, they are history. Why did we scrap out the old concept and what's coming instead? Stick around and I will tell you all about it. Welcome to the Open Source Rebels, the Frappe ERPNext team at K&K Software. Hi, I'm Dietmar, Frappe Implementation Expert at K&K Software. My job? Making ERP projects lean, efficient, and successful. And that's exactly why we said goodbye to traditional workshops. You know, in the past, we kicked things off with a big workshop. You would tell us all about your company, we would listen, and in the end, a bunch of open questions and little clarity. Now, we do things differently. We start with an evaluation, a feasibility analysis focused on hard facts. What really matters and what's the actual scope of your project. In this way, we can accurately assess what your ERP project needs and what it doesn't. You will get a clear, professional assessment of your time and costs. No guessing, no we will see, just a well-defined project framework so you have full transparency from day one. Endless theoretical workshops? Nobody needs that. Instead, we focus on targeted user training. Your team learns how ERPNext works specifically for your business, and together we figure out where customizations make sense. The best part of it? Fixed pricing and full cost control. Bye-bye workshop calculator. Your feedback was loud and clear. Our workshop calculator caused more confusion than clarity. So we took it offline. Soon you will find a clear, transparent overview of our evaluations and trainings on our website. No guesswork, just the information you need. Every team is different, so our training sessions are flexible too. Whether online or on-site or one-on-one or on your whole team, we adapt to your needs. Because some questions are best answered face-to-face. Do you have any questions about our evaluation or training sessions? No problem. Shoot us an email, give us a call, or book an Ask Me Anything session via Calendly. All links and details, you will find them in the description below. Do it right or don't do it at all. Knowledge is power and chaos might be expensive. So subscribe to our channel and take your ERP project to the next level. I'm Dietmar, Open Source Rebel and Frappe Implementation Expert at K&K. See you next time. Cheers.